Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Volvo XC40 with its key. First, always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, take your key fob and insert it completely into the designated ignition slot, usually located on the dashboard. With the key in place, firmly press down on the brake pedal using your right foot. Finally, turn the ignition knob clockwise until the engine starts smoothly. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Sometimes your key fob battery might be low or even dead. Don't worry, you can still start your XC40. If remote unlocking fails, use the hidden physical key blade to manually open the driver's door. Once inside, place the key fob directly against the ignition reader, often marked with a key symbol. This allows the car to recognize the key's transponder, enabling you to start the engine as usual, even without battery power in the fob. Encountering issues. First, if the steering wheel is locked, gently jiggle it while turning the ignition knob. Next, confirm your car battery isn't dead. Dim or absent dashboard lights are a clue. Always double-check that the gear selector is fully in park or neutral. A slight misalignment can prevent starting. If the engine cranks but doesn't catch, ensure you have sufficient fuel. These simple checks resolve most common starting problems. Safety is paramount when operating any vehicle. Never leave children or pets alone in a running car, even for one moment. When parking on a hill, always engage the parking brake to prevent accidental rolling. Before you even start your engine, take a quick moment to check your surroundings for any obstacles or pedestrians. Finally, consistent vehicle maintenance, including battery checks, will help ensure your XC40 starts reliably every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.